Okay, good day. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to convert degree to radian and degree measure to radian measure and vice versa. Now, actually, ay naituro ko na to ng grade 11. Grade 10 kayo sa math elective. I-recall lang natin kasi kailangan natin to dun sa ating next topic, which is area base sector and length of an arc. No? Kasi kailangan naka-radian measure kasi yung ating unit in applying those formulas in finding the length of the arc and area base sector. Okay, paano ba mag-convert ng degree unit to radian measure and vice versa? We have to follow the rules. The first is to convert degree measure to radian, multiply it by pi over 180. And number 2, to convert radian measure to degree, multiply it by 180 over pi. So, pag degree to radian, i-multiply natin yung given degree by pi over 180. Kapag naman radian measure papuntang degree, i-multiply natin yung given angle in radian measure by 180 over pi. Okay? So, I'm going to give you 4 examples. Actually, yung example number 1 natin consists of 2 degree units or degree measures. At yung example number 2 natin consists of 2 radian measures. So, let's start with example number 1. Okay? 75 degrees. Paano natin siya i-convert? Degree siya, papuntang radian. I-multiply natin ng pi over 180. So, times pi over 180. Okay. So, we can cancel out degree. By the way, ang sagot natin is in terms of pi. Okay? In terms of pi. Ibig sabihin, hindi natin multiply yung pi na 3.1416 to obtain the radian measurement of this angle. Magiging in terms of pi ang sagot natin. So, both divisible by 75 divided by 180 actually is by 5 over 12. Okay? Ibig sabihin, I have divided both the numerator and denominator by 15. So, 75 divided by 15 is 5. Okay. And 180 divided by 15 is 12. So therefore, we have 5 pi over 12 radian. Okay. So makatwid, yung ating 75 degrees has a measurement in radian of 5 pi over 12. Yeah. Next, we have 240 degrees. 240 degrees. We have pi, multiply na ng pi over 180 degrees. Again, cancel na yung degree natin. And 240 divided both by 60. 240 divided by 60 is 4. And 180 divided by 6 is 3. So therefore, our answer is 4 pi over 3. Sorry, I forgot. Radian. Okay. So, sagot natin, 240 degrees is the same as 4 thirds o 4 pi over 3 radian. Okay? So, yun ang pag-convert ng degree unit papuntang radian measure. We have another example, example number 2. We're going to express pi over 8 radian and 11 pi over 6 radian in degrees. Okay? So, wag natin i-multiply yung 3.1416 kasi makakancel siya. Okay? Okay. Let's start with pi over 8. Pi over 8 radian. So, kapag radian measure to degree, multiply naman na natin ang 180 over pi, kabaliktaran. Okay? 180 degree over pi. Cancel na yung pi. This is pi radian. So, cancel din yun. So, matitira na lang is degree. So, 180 divided by 8. Actually, the exact 180 divided by 8 using your calculator is 22.5 degrees. So, our answer is 22.5 degrees. Degree unit na siya. And last, we have 11 pi over 6. So again, we have 11 pi over 6 multiply ng 180 degree over pi radian. Again, wag i-multiply sa pi value kasi makakancel siya. And then, actually, 180 divided by 6 is 30 degrees. Okay? 11 times 30 is 330 degrees. So, nasagot natin. Okay? So, we have 22.5 degrees. Equivalent niya yon do sa pi over 8 at yung 11 pi over 6, that is the same as 330 degrees. So, that is how to convert degree to radian measure and vice versa. So, that will be the end of the discussion about this topic. Thank you and goodbye.